Mm. There is chicken, you see. Chicken. There is coconut. Okay. There you see coconut. Yeah, there is coconut tree. Small coconut tree. And you know, I will have to tell you that in our region, and no, and not in my region, in my village, yeah, I live in countryside. So in my village, we just use solar panel. Yeah, there is solar panel, and we store the solar energy and the battery to recharge our phone or yeah for lights. Okay, I gotta show you where the battery is. Yeah, this is the wire, and you see how we store the solar energy. Okay, we store the solar energy and the battery. Okay, I gotta show you guys. Wow, there you see battery. The battery, we store the battery, the energy, yeah, the solar energy into the battery, and then there's light. Okay. This is actually the pineapple jam. I gotta show you pineapple jam. Mm. There is pineapple jam. Gotta show you guys. This is pineapple jam. You see, okay? Have you ever tried it? It's kind of sour anyway. I gotta taste it. Kind of sour, man. Pretty sour, man. Anyway, it's okay. There is car. You see, there is the car. There is the bike. There is a bike. Because our house is next to the main road. There is a bus is driving to the Miek. Because our house is between Miek and the world city. Okay. Yeah, my bro is translated in the Korean language. There is chicken, you see. The chicken are amazing because in the neck you will see there is no feather on their neck. Oh, alright.